John Twist, University Motors, minute video. How to fit headlamp rings on an MGB. First of all, there's usually a seam. Okay, there we go, we got the seam. That goes at the bottom. Grease. Those of you who know me know I love red grease. Love grease. Okay, so we're gonna take the headlamp ring and we're gonna put it over the top. How easy is that? But our minute isn't up. How do we get it off? Mr. Screwdriver. Mr. Screwdriver, okay? Let's try him. We're gonna bring him around underneath, and we're gonna give 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's how to put it on. That's how to take it off. Safety fast.